Hello YouTube, Dano here. Yeah, I've got a pretty good idea here. It works well for pliers or works well for screwdrivers, depending on how you want to sort your box out. I don't know if you've seen these before. They may look somewhat familiar if you go to IKEA. Not quite sure what they're used for. Like plate holders. Who knows? But they work good for this. I found these in a used store. I think I paid a couple of bucks for like 5 or 6 of them. I think it was 5 of them. Yep, just a tip, and only the tip. Yeah, it might be something for you to check out. Yeah, they're flexible. And I guess if you wanted to, you could cut them down. Let's see, part number. Made in Vietnam. IKEA. I don't know if these are like the screwdriver ones or not that other people sell. Yeah, let me know. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. Dano out.